Okay, this is pretty funny. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to show you this real quick. We're going to see, okay, about phone, and go status, and you're going to see it's QLink. Brand is QLink, network status, there it is, QLink. They sent me this phone. It says the network's disconnected, which is I find very interesting because you can see I have the data on right there. Anyway, so what I'm trying to show you here is this is going to be for the lawsuit, because I sue these people for invasion of privacy and harassment. Because then we're going to go over here, and we're going to go to apps. And these apps are going to be very identified and talked about here in the future, because of the how illegal their activity is and what they're doing. As you see there, there's the COM wizard set up. But where I went to, right here we're going to go to show system. So now we have the systems open. Now we're going to go to the Easter egg. Check out our little Easter egg here. And then go to data usage. No, it wasn't the Easter egg. 1 second. We're not far away. Android system. That's our boy. Now, the Android system. Then we're going to go over here to battery. And we're going to see everything that's used by this battery. See, now it's the system. Now here goes the illegalness. These are the installed packages. Keychain. ZT Wizard. Okay. Content adaptive backlight settings. That's right there. Modem service. Right there. Then Ant Hall. So that's the radio signal. Chameleon provider. They're hiding who the provider is. Hidden network. Hidden menu. Settings. Qualcomm. Location. Illegal. Harassment. Fuse location. There's another one. There's the QTI tether service. That's also going to be part of the illegalness. It's getting on other people's devices or other devices in your network. There's a Sprint Chameleon provider, roaming and roam reduction. Roaming reduction, basically saying you have to go within their range. I'm sure of it. And ZPub. Okay, you're going to see all these right here. And that's it. That's the QLink lawsuit. Illegal apps harassing me on my phone. Thank you.